Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube creative studio. Who else can't wait for Halloween? I started with these quick and scary little crochet zombie hats. If you are looking for something very simple and very quick for trick and treat gifts, I would suggest making these scary little zombies hats ornament. They are perfect and I think you will be happy with the result. You can use any yarn you like. For this project it's great to use up scrap yarns. You will need some buttons, the crochet hook, which are the best for your yarn, a tapestry needle and a sewing needle, of course the scissors and some threads, and this is it. So let's get started. We will start with a magic ring. I'm using quite a light yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Chain 1 and then work single crochets into magic ring. In this first round you will have 8 single crochets, so count 8 single crochets, place them into the magic ring and always close the round with a slip stitch. We will create 4 rounds and each round starts with chain 1, which is not a stitch, which I don't count as a stitch, and I'll close each round with a slip stitch placed in the first stitch. Okay, so I just close the round and start round number 2. Chain 1, don't count this chain as a stitch, and work 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So in the first round we have 8 single crochets, and in this second round we will have 16 single crochets around. I will show you later on, if you use the different thickness of your yarn and the different crochet hook, always choose the best one which is for your yarn, how the zombie head is bigger or smaller. So now I'm using fine yarn and 3mm crochet hook, so the zombie hat will be quite small, but if you use the bigger crochet hook and light, medium or bulky yarn, you will have your zombie hat a bit bigger. The measurement and the recommendation for yarn and crochet hooks you will find in the box below, and they are also available at my website, and I will also show you the measurement at the end of this video tutorial. So I'm at the end, so I have 16 single crochets in the second round. Let me count it. Yeah. So here we are, close the round with a slip stitch, and let's start row number 3. Start with chain 1 and now 2 single crochet in the first stitch, in the same stitch, and 1 single crochet in next stitch, and repeat it. 2 single crochets in next stitch and 1 single crochet in next stitch. So again it's increased row. We will have plus 8 single crochets, which means 24 single crochets around in total. So work 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. Row number 4, chain 1 and work 2 single crochets in the first stitch and then 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and again 2 single crochets in next stitch, 1, 2, and now 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is it, and repeat it, 2 single crochets in next stitch, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and again repeat it. At the end you will have 36 single crochets. And this is it, my crochet friends. Now we will create the mouth. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet in the same first stitch. Now 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, then a single crochet, we are in the middle, and again 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and the last stitch is a double crochet. So we have 1 double crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, and 1 double crochet. Now chain 1, then your work, and work a half double crochet in next 7 stitches. I don't count chain 1 as a stitch at the beginning of the row. So now you will have 7 half double crochets, and this is the last row. So it was really quick project and very simple. And now there is more time to get creative and experiment with different facial expressions. So you can now finish your crocheting. Just cut the yarn and hide the end. So we have 4 rounds and 2 rows to create the zombie head, and this is it. Easy and simple, and you can use any scrap yarn you have, and you will need only a really little ball to create it. So now you can cut the yarn and hide the end. I will use my needle and work on wrong side. Insert the hook through the last row. This is the row with half double crochets, and go back, up and down several times, and once you are happy with the end, how it's hidden, you can cut the yarn, and this is it. You can use this end to attach the pin if you want to use the zombie head as a brooch. So this is it. Now you will need some buttons. I would recommend you to use different sizes and different colors, like this. I have so many lovely colorful buttons, so it's fun to choose 2 of them, and hand sew the button on the head. I would recommend you to put the button on the bottom part of the zombie head, but yeah, it's for fully up to you, just my recommendation. So I will show you the position of the button. Okay, I will quickly attach it. Okay. Hide the end on wrong side, and you can fix both ends with a knot, so make 1 or 2 knots, and this is it. Wow. So what do you think? Is it scary? And now the second eye. Of course you can attach the button, or you can sew the eye. I will show you quickly how to do it. I will use this dark blue. It's a bit thinner, but doesn't matter. So I will make the cross. First go from left to right, from up down, left to right, and then from right top to the left, and you will make the cross. This is it. Yeah, perfect. Again, hide the end now, or you can do it later on once you are finished with your project. And I will make the knot with both ends. And now it's time to create the mouth and teeth. Okay, it's also easy, and again it's fully up to you how you want to create it. I will make the simple row for the mouse and 3 teeth, again small rows. So just be creative and create the mouse you like. Here we are, and the last one. Perfect. So we are almost done. Super. If you want, you can make a chain on the top of the zombie head and use it as a keychain or so. And this is it. I would like to show you how the sizes differ. So for the blue one I use 3.5mm crochet hook, and for this dark gray yarn I used 4mm crochet hook. Now the final measurement. The green head has 2.2 inches and it's 1.8 inches wide, 4.5 centimeters. The blue one has 2.7 inches, 7 centimeters, and it has 2.2 inches, so 5.5 centimeters wide, and dark gray is 3.3 inches and 2.7 inches wide. So this is it, my crochet friends. I hope now you have the all information how to create this amazing and really quick zombie hats. I hope they are a bit scary. What do you think? And they could be a perfect gift for trick and treat. They can be also used as key chains or brooch, or you can use this applique for any other project you like. So thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. I hope you like this video tutorial. Don't hesitate to give me your thumb up and please subscribe to my channel. Look at my zombie heads gang. I love them. So take care and bye for now.